So guys, on this video you are going to make up to $30 or $90 or $35. It just depends on the task that this company is going to give you. So what you are going to be doing on this strategy we are going to talk about today is that you are going to be reviewing products and services, and in return you will get paid. You are going to be testing websites, just explain and give details of what the website and how you feel, what the website is and how you feel, or what you think that this website is and how it can help people. Just give your honest opinion and you are going to get paid. So there's a lot of companies looking for people to do this kind of work for them, and on this website you are going to be able to be doing it, which is Userlytics. So how to start, what you need to start this business or this making money online method. You need a quiet place. Is the first thing you need, a quiet place where there is no noise. Second, you need a computer or smartphone. If you have a computer or a smartphone or iPhone or Android, you can do the business, and it's very simple, and you don't even need any experience. You don't need any skills. All you just need to do is to know how to talk. That is what is required. If you can talk, that is what you just have to do. You can talk, you can read. That is only what you just have to do. Like what I said, what you need your smartphone, your internet connection, a quiet place, and you need a microphone, or you need an earpiece or earphone. So once you have all those equipment, you are good to go. Then the next thing, I'm going to show you how to register on this website. But before you register, how to get to the page where you are going to start testing products. You can see the website is open here now, but you need to click on this section where it said get paid to test. Click on that. Once you on it, it will take you to the user testing page where you are going to read through and see everything that you just said. So look at what he said: changing the world one test at a time. So it's very simple. Like I told you, you are going to get paid for testing products and services. Let me read out what you are saying here. Usability testing is simple and fun. You can do it from your phone, tablet or computer, in the comfort of your home or at your preferred location. Not only do you get paid to test, but you learn something new every time and get a sneak peek of what the brand you love most are working on. Even better, you will play a vital role in making the world more user friendly. You have to just take your time to do this. It's not something complicated. So the first thing you need to do, you can look to, like what I told you before, the devices that you need to start this. So, and maybe you are wondering how you can get paid on paper. So you can see any task you complete every week, they are going to be paying the money out. You can see that they say in between $5 to $95, even more than that. So it just depends if you are able to complete the task just as they ask you to do. Look at what they said. They say receive payment once your test has been uploaded successfully and is approved by our team. You will earn between $5 to $90 depending on the test, which you will receive in your paper account at the end of the week. Simple as that. So the first thing to do, like I told you, is to sign up on this website, which is Userlytics. And the next thing you are going to wait for them to send you an SMS. And once you receive SMS from them telling you what you have to do, you click on the link. Make sure you are in a quiet place and make sure you open only one browser, which is only Userlytics browser, and you can do all the whole work either on your smartphone or on your computer, and you can make money in return by just doing this business. So that is everything I just want to show you here, guys. You can look through, and what is good is that Userlytics, they have an app. They have an app that you can use from your smartphone. Let us say you are having a problem using it from your Chrome browser, you can use their app. So to start, all you just need to do is to click on start earning, and it's going to take you to this step. You are going to enter your email here, tell that you are more than 16 years old, agree to their terms and conditions, and you click on submit. Then Userlytics is going to send you a link. Then that link, you are going to click that link and complete the process of your profile, which is very simple to do. I know that you can do this. This is not something I need to go through again. I know that you can do it because you just to enter your email, your password, and you click on register, and you are good to go. So once you enter all those information, then let us assume now that you have registered your own account. The next thing we have to do now is to log into our own account, so that I will show you something here. So I'm going to log into one of the accounts I created for this tutorial. So to log in, you need to click on this section where it said login. So as you can see, I have just logged into my own account, and they have a task for me to do right now. You can see the task that they are telling me to do. I'm going to get $35 for this task that they are inviting me to do now. If I want to do this task now, all I just need to do is to click on launch, and this task I will now go through the process. Then once I complete this task and they have uploaded it on their platform, and if the person that asked me to do this task approve it, I will earn $35. So they are going to be sending you emails, and you are going to be logging into your Userlytics account every time, so that you'll be checking if you have any task available to do. So it's very simple, guys. When you log into your profile, what I want you to do is to make sure you set up your profile account, enter how you want to be the device that you are using, enter your payment method, your preferable payment method, which is PayPal. That is where they are going to be paying you to do this type of job, and you are good to go. You don't need any experience or skills. So you just need to make sure you have what I say. You should make sure you have your internet connection, make sure you have a good smartphone or computer, make sure you have a microphone or you have an earphone that you can use to do the task, because you want them to hear you while you are talking. You need to make sure you are talking loud. And when you are doing, have any other window open, like you can see all these extensions that I've installed on my Chrome extension. Anytime I'm doing all this, I'm doing all these tasks, I remove all these whole extension you can see. And to remove all this extension, you click on this section here and you unpin it. You unpin all the extension. As you can see, some of the extension is wiping. So make sure that your window is clean so that they can see your work clearly. Just make sure only the website that is showing is Userlytics website that you are doing the task from. That is what I just want to talk on this video, guys. You can see that you can even make $35 per task, which is something very good. Normally, you are going to be receiving email like this, so that you are going to be receiving this type of email. Let me show you. So you can see, I just log in my email account. Userlytics have just contacted me again today now to tell me that, okay, with the task for you to do, we are going to pay you money to do it. So I will click on you can see Userlytics new testing available. If I click on that, now it's going to open now. So as you can see, the email they sent to me have opened, and you can see that Userlytics is the one that sent me this email. Dear God's power, they have a task for me. So you can see, say, please answer a few questions to see if you qualify, and then if you match the profile, you will participate in an online user experience test. There is a $35 reward for this test. So if I click on this question now and I answer the question, maybe it fit the profile of what they are looking for, then they will now give me the proper link to now go and proceed and complete this task, and in return I will get a reward $35 or €35 that you can see here. So that is how it works, guys. There is no cash, guys. And what is this website, which is called Userlytics, is available worldwide. It's available worldwide, and you can use it from anywhere you are. So what I just want you to do for me, guys, you know that I make video like this on my YouTube channel, how you can make money online, and only what I want from you right now is for you to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what to think. And again, always pray before you do any business. Do your proper research before you use any website you want to use. And don't forget, like what I'm saying, leave me a comment in the comment section. Comment, let me know what to think about this video. If it's not good, let me know. If it's good, let me know in the comment section, guys. Don't forget, if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that will pop up. If you want to make money with just by taking surveys, you can watch the second video. I will say thank you very much, guys. See you, and don't forget to follow me on my social platform on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. See you on my next video, guys. Thank you very much.